Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the easiest fried rice recipe. This recipe is mouth-watering and very easy to make. Let's get right into the video. So we start off by prepping our vegetables. Mind you, our rice has already been cooked and we are going to be using Bhigs coconut oil for this recipe. I love Bhigs coconut oil. Add some oil to your pan and let's scramble some eggs. After scrambling our eggs, we are going to set it aside and use it later. So I added a little more oil and then stir-fried some sausages. This is totally optional. You can use chicken or beef or any protein of your choice. Then I added some diced onion, diced carrots, grated ginger, and then my mixed spices. Here I use Badia mixed spice to be specific. You can use any spice of your choice. I love to add grated ginger as it gives it some sort of kick with the coconut oil. We stir everything together. I still like my carrot crunchy, so after about a minute I then add the rice. Stir fry the rice with all other ingredients for it to mix up properly. At this point, I add about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I gauge it because I do this regularly, so I actually know the amount I use. And also, I add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. On a medium to high heat, you stir to make sure everything is well mixed together and well infused together. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but yeah, I know you get it. Next, we are going to add our diced green bell pepper and our diced onions. Here you can add spring onions as well, but I prefer this red onion because it adds some flavor to it. And then I add my scrambled eggs. Every vegetable used in this recipe is totally optional. You can use what you like and what is available to you. You can also check the description box for all the ingredients used in making this recipe. Well, I love frozen peas, so we can do this fried rice recipe without frozen peas. So here you go. Before I forget, guys, I use basmati rice for this fried rice recipe. I think the best rice for fried rice is basmati rice, no cap. But do you boo, you can use any rice of your choice. Finally, our fried rice recipe is ready. If you want to woo your guests this Christmas season, this fried rice recipe definitely must be on your meal list. And also, if you're feeling bougie and you want to spoil yourself, you can also prepare this recipe. Let me know what you think when you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below the next recipe you would like to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Love you all.